And here's the setup I'm using for that. You can see I'm using one of the GoPro mounts that comes with the camera. I've just tied it onto the top here. I'd like to get a dedicated mount that I can use with the standoff bolts. Maybe have to get something custom 3D printed, but yeah, that's it. It's Insta360 GO2 on the front. It's a little bit back balanced, but it works. You should go check out my main channel if you want to see how I actually use this kind of thing in a real project. But thanks for watching the first video on my new channel. I can't do a thumbs up. Go look at our channel.